Vero is one of the many social media management and analytics tools out there, but is it the right fit for your business? In this video, we're going to cover 12 things you need to know before you decide to buy it, especially when compared to other popular options like Hootsuite or Buffer. Stick with me till the end because while Vero might work for some, I'll also share a better solution that you can try for free. First thing to consider is the ease of use. Vero is known for its clean, user-friendly interface. If you've used tools like Buffer, you might find Vero a bit more streamlined, but it does take some time to get used to its layout. It's not as intuitive as others, so it's something you might want to get familiar with before diving in. Next thing to know is its pricing model. Vero offers both free and paid plans. However, the free plan is pretty limited compared to what you get with other tools. If you need advanced analytics or automation, you'll have to opt for a paid plan. Compared to competitors like Hootsuite, which offers more robust features even on lower tier plans, Vero's pricing can feel a bit steep for what it provides at the basic levels. The third thing is its analytics. Vero offers solid insights into your social media performance, but it's not as advanced as something like Sprout Social or AgriPulse. If you need deep, granular analytics, you might need a different tool. Vero does a good job with the basics, but don't expect it to replace the big players when it comes to detailed reporting. Fourth thing to keep in mind is the automation options. Vero does allow for scheduling posts and managing multiple accounts, but it doesn't offer the same level of automation as something like Buffer or Zoho Social. For businesses that rely heavily on automated social media posting, Vero might feel a bit limiting. Next thing to note is customer support. Vero has a reputation for offering decent customer service, but it's not always fast. If you're in urgent need of support, you might find yourself waiting longer than you'd like. With larger tools like Hootsuite or Sprout Social, customer support tends to be more responsive, which is something worth considering if you're running a fast-paced operation. The sixth thing is integration capabilities. Vero offers some integration options with platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, but it doesn't have the same extensive library of integrations as other tools. If you rely on connecting with other platforms like Pinterest, LinkedIn, or Shopify, Vero might fall short. Now let's talk about mobile apps. Vero has apps for both iOS and Android, but they're not as feature-rich as their desktop version. If you're someone who does a lot of social media management on the go, you may find the mobile experience a bit frustrating compared to other tools that offer more seamless app functionality. Next up, Vero's content curation feature. This is one area where Vero stands out. It does a great job curating content based on your interests and industry trends. This can save you time finding relevant posts to share, and it's a nice addition if you're looking to keep your feed engaging and diverse. The eighth thing is its collaboration features. Vero allows teams to collaborate, but it's not as robust as other tools. If you're working with a large team, you might find that features like task assignments and content approval workflows aren't as seamless as they are with competitors like Sprout Social. Next thing, Vero's mobile-first design. It's optimized for mobile, so if you're a business that prioritizes social media interaction through phones and tablets, this is definitely a plus. However, some users have reported that the mobile experience could use some polish to feel as fluid as other platforms. 11th thing, Vero's target audience. It's great for small businesses or individuals looking for an easy-to-use platform. But if you're managing multiple brands or large-scale operations, you might outgrow Vero's capabilities. Larger businesses tend to prefer more feature-packed tools like Hootsuite or Sprout Social that offer more scalability. The final thing to know is that Vero is a solid choice for certain businesses, especially those looking for simplicity and affordability. But if you need more advanced features, better support, and integration, you may want to check out another solution. One such tool is Recommended Solution, which offers a free trial and might be a better fit for growing businesses. In conclusion, Vero is a good option if you're looking for a straightforward, cost-effective social media management tool, but it might not have all the advanced features that larger businesses or power users require. If you're interested in exploring a more robust tool, check out our recommended solution for free today.